everyone, welcome back to our Bitsy tutorials. Today we're going to show you how to add password protection to your Bitsy link. Password protection helps restrict access to your short link by requiring a password, making it a great feature for added security. Let's get started. Head over to the Bitsy links page to create a new short link. Start by entering the destination URL, the long URL you want to shorten. This is the URL users will be redirected to when they click on your short link. Next, let's configure the password protection settings for your link. Look for the password protection option. Enable password protection by toggling the switch. You'll then be prompted to enter a password. Choose a strong password that users will need to enter to access your short link. Enter your desired password in the provided field. Make sure it's something secure and not easily guessable. You can also add a customized logo to the password protection page. This step is optional. Finish by clicking on the Create Bitsy Link button. Your Bitsy link is now protected with a password. Here's how it looks when users try to access the link. They'll be prompted to enter the password before they can view the destination URL. And that's it. Adding password protection to your Bitsy link helps you control access and add an extra layer of security. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Bitsy tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or need assistance, leave a comment below. We're here to help. Thanks for watching and happy linking with Bitsy.